Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there. Just got out the shower, fresh out of the shower, about to check out Jisoo's Earthquake. I literally saw that and she dropped it while I was literally taking a shower. I just did my thing, washed up, made sure everything was clean. Hair's away, everything, but without further ado, let's check out Jisoo's Earthquake in 3, 2, 1, bow. What is this? Is the office job? Oh, big lighting. Oh, look at her in the glasses. I can't wait to see her new show. Oh, she look good. She always look good. Dior. Oh, this is from the teaser. Hey, beautiful. Wait, hold on. Who texted? Hey, beautiful. How's your day going? Oh, well, thanks for texting me, Jisoo. Oh! Evidence? In what? Oh, shoot. What is this movie? We're watching a movie? She sent...
문자에 답변하시기 전에
Before you reply to the message, I need to ask you a few security questions. What?
몇 가지 보안 질문을 좀 해야겠습니다.
Okay. Oh, look at the
그 남자에 대한 당신의
eye
진짜
makeup.
마음은 뭡니까?
What are your true feelings for him? Oh, Lord. They trying to get you out. Why he
like an earthquake. 더 빠르게 my heart race.
Okay.
몸이
That eye, like that glitter. Oh my God.
떨려 can't stand. 널 부정할 수 없게.
Stunning. My God. Oh! Is what is a car just went through the... Oh, be careful, Jisoo. Oh! What do you do in this situation? Oh! And she's in the car? Oh, she looks badass. What are we blowing? Can you trust him? Hit you like an earthquake. What if you are wrong? All the doubts in your head, I guess. You're breaking through. Ooh. Okay, production really ate in this shit. Not on the lie detector test. Dancing on that. What? Wait, did she even respond? She was responding something. I can't really read it though. What? This has to be green screened or blue screened. Oh. Hey, yo, action star Jisoo. Wait, what was that say? That's a cool shot. Oh, just a calendar. Ooh. Bro, she looks so stunning. She's serving, bro. Let's go, Cario. She looks so cute with the glasses on. Oh, steel heart. Boom. Oh, she looks so good. On top of my phone too. What's she texting? What they all texting? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Wait, hold on. I wasn't even looking. I was just dancing. My bad. I was wondering where you were. Oh, okay. Hold up. Send. She's so cute. Oh, damn, everybody looks good here. Shout out to the director. Oh my god. Okay, production. What the hell, yo? Hype that up. My god. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Jisoo's Earthquake, whether through music-wise, production-wise, Jisoo as a person. Let me know your comments. Let me know your feelings in the comment section down below. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy, Dre. My God. I guess I'll see you guys till next time then. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.